Traders at Access Bank expect investors to continue to cherry-pick some Treasury bills in the absence of an OMU auction. Eki Teddy-Onaghise, Treasury Team Member at Access Bank, now joins me for more market updates. Eki, thank you so much for joining us. Take us through the weekly wrap for today. This is the last trading day for the week. The highlights of activity so far.
Okay, good afternoon. Thank you for having me. We'll start with the money markets, where we found a credit balance of 38 billion yesterday, which came from the debits from the bond auction that took place earlier in the week. So for that liquidity position filtered into the fixed income market, where we saw slight increase in the Treasury bills interest. We saw demands on the newly issued one-year paper, which traded at about 15%, as well as some other mid-term maturities. But in the bond market, starting yesterday, it was a quiet market and also increased interest was seen during midday towards the mid-term papers of 2032s and 2037 papers.
Yeah, and what should we expect in the coming week?
In the coming week, we have an NTB auction where the CBN will be floating at about 211 billion. That is the same amount that is maturing, and we expect to see same rates to be maintained as top rates, just to keep the trailing rates in check, and also ensure that the rates don't go higher than what it is at the moment. And
from your reading, how do you see things panning out within the FX market, the depreciation we are seeing at the NAFEM window?
At the NAFEM window, the increased demand still persists. We're not really seeing any supply of funds in the market. The rates at the NAFEX closed at about 841 as of yesterday, while the NAFEM closed at about 844. With this increased demand, we still see rates either inching up high or remain at the same rate going forward.
Thank you, Eki, for your time on the show today and all of the updates. It's good to catch up with you. That was Eki Teddy-Onaghise, Treasury Team Member at Access Bank.